Hi guys, we spent hours and hours to investigate the recent EUC fires, and now we certainly know what could cause it. In most cases, if you have low amperage cells inside your electric unicycle, please be aware they not meant for extreme use. Low amperage cells is good for long range, for commuting, easy riding, cruising, but when you start to abuse your electric unicycle extreme way, um, then you will have a problem. It's about LG 50T, Samsung 50E, especially with two-pack configuration. There is not enough amperage to meet these high amp peaks. So it's about MSP, RS, and Nikola two-pack electric unicycles. When you get high amperage peak on these wheels, for example, in extreme brake, extreme acceleration, sudden jump, curbs, potholes, you probably will get cut out, and the your MOSFETs on controller will burn. If fuse not working properly, then you will get a battery fire right on the street. Another scenario is when you just starting riding on full charged batteries. Its battery is up to 100% charged, and you go downhill, down on the street, and regenerative braking will give more. Start to charging your batteries at that already is full charged. So you have a scenario when you will hear a beeps and your pedals will step, not allow you to continue riding. But if you're not aware of it, if you don't understand what is happening, it's panic situation. It's easy that we had some cases that people get fired at the morning, right out of the door. Especially in winter, in low temperature outside, batteries, BMS can malfunction. Cells will not charging full, um, battery packs not balancing to the top. In this case, uh, you have to, it's good idea to leave charging cord for hours, even when you see that the charging light is green, not red anymore. But please leave the cord inside so all cells can keep up to 100%, because charger cut out will stop charging when first cells reach 100%. Okay, then if you quick to disconnect your charger, the top charged cells will go down, says to 95, 90%, and they balancing. All cells will balancing on says 90, 95%. So it's good idea to leave a charger cord inside. Okay, at least for some hour. When you have scenarios, a single cell get overcharged, you may hear some noise, some noise from your cycle. It means that one of cells gas valve, the membrane get activated, so it's let internal gas out. Um, it means that your cell is gone, because soon will you get electrolyte leaking inside your battery pack, and it's of course it's dangerous. BMS on the side of your battery, internal BMS will may shortcut because of leaking electrolyte and corrosion inside of your battery pack. So you will see that your battery is not charging up to 100% anymore. It's a sign that you get electrolyte leaking, or some it may be a water damage when you water ingress inside your battery pack. It's the same as electrolyte leaking. So be aware, because water with lithium react uh, very explosively, very heavy, as you will get explosive fire directly, poof, uh, inside your home when you're charging. Probably it's a most dangerous scenario, right? Old batteries may uh, may get some lithium in old batteries, can crystallize. It's called dendrites. It's like fingers reach out from lithium side, penetrate the membrane and reach out to copper side. Then you have fire directly. Explosive, dangerous fire. Battery fire is the most dangerous. Do not compare to MOSFETs burn or motherboard fire. So when your old batteries, 1, 2 year, 3 year old batteries can get these problems. So it's not good idea to repair. Do not try to repair battery cells or replace cells. It's not a good idea. It's very dangerous work. You have to know what to do, and it's always good idea to replace your battery packs to high amperage packs if you heavy rider, if you extreme rider. So please be aware of it.